I thought I'll share 3 things that you may unintentionally say to people, especially if you haven't seen them in a while, that may cause offense or be perceived as insensitive. Now, the first being weight related compliments. Complimenting someone's weight, whether it's weight gain or weight loss, can be incredibly sensitive or even triggering. So it's best to just stay clear. And the second is personal or family related assumptions. So if you make assumptions about someone's personal life or their family situation, it can be intrusive. Comments like, oh, you must be pregnant, or are you pregnant, or when are you going to have kids? It may be very uncomfortable for the people you're talking to, especially if they're having to deal with personal challenges. I learnt this the hard way when I congratulated a woman on what I thought was a pregnancy, and it turned out that her belly was protruding because she had fibroids. Believe me, I will not be making that mistake again. Finally, age-related or appearance-based compliments. Now, age can be also very sensitive for some people, and while it's natural for you to appreciate someone's youthful appearance, making comments like, oh, you look so young for your age, can inadvertently make people feel self-conscious about their age. A general rule of thumb is, if in doubt, stick to a universal compliment like, oh, you have a great smile. So I hope these simple tips help your interactions over the festive period and beyond.